What's up everybody, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda and today I want to show you a quick little spinal mobilization. Again, this is kind of an add-on to what we did in the past with regard to spinal mobilization and spinal rolling. So we're going to get right into it. We're going to hop onto our back. The first thing we're going to do is place our hands, or our elbows I should say, on the inside of our thigh, here and here. When we do that, we're also going to grab the outsides of our feet, like this. And like this, right? And so what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna really have to use a lot of core strength, and we're going to have to keep this in this like kind of rigid position, and we're gonna use our feet as well to kick. So you can kind of see how I'm rocking already, which is really great, getting some movement. And just like the spinal rolling, you can be very focal and localized to the middle back, like this, the lower back, like this, and then upper middle. And so the more I stretch the foot going upwards like this or like this, the more I'll be able to go and throw myself over into like a plow or inverted position like so, right? And so you can come back and forth. One of the cool things about this one is that because you have so much control over your feet, you can go side to side. This is something I like to do to really strengthen my core and get some of those muscles to get kind of like rolled up on the ground. And it feels quite good actually when you have these lower back muscles that are flattening out into the actual ground, and then you get that mobility and that core strength through it. So you get mobility and you get core strength with doing this one. So back and forth, up and down, and of course just like the other ones, if you do this enough times, back and forth, you probably get a couple pops and clicks out of your back and your spine in that area. So guys, this is a great one as well. Give this a try. We'll see you guys for the next episode. Bye.